So that's why that was the only thing I ever wanted at that time. कि फौजी होना चाहिए.
We're staying in Kota, the place called Mahindra Niwas.
You cannot put yourself in that same bracket now. You are my sister.
And you visit to Kota. Kota right now is one of the best cities in Rajasthan to travel.
You know, we'll be in each other's lives until it serves us, right?
Wow.
Did you just see how this truck came?
Yeah, man. That was crazy. Yeah.
हमारे दोनों की अपब्रिंगिंग और पर्सनालिटी टाइम में एक बहुत बेसिक डिफरेंस था जो इन सम वे और द अदर मैनिफेस्ट होता ही होता.
You are almost best friends with your ex-husband.
And everyone finds it very shocking. Friends, family, everyone, like the most modern people also. Yeah, but I also feel that people who really know me and are really my well-wishers, they also understand and appreciate it. Okay, amongst clearly I'm not a well-wisher because I've questioned it many times. अब you cannot put yourself in that same bracket ना. You are my sister. तो हमारे dynamic में बहुत सारे parameters हैं. तो ये that won't be a fair comparison. I'm not saying it about it.
Tell me about it. Like, why, how, and when you're questioned, what do you say and what do you feel?
When I'm questioned,
Yes.
I think सबसे first and foremost, we got married at a time when possibly neither of us were mature enough to really establish, and we had the potential to be good partners.
Yeah.
We were not really dating, so it's not like they really dated each other for a long time. And तो वो तो missing ही था पूरा. एक basic attraction थी and we used to enjoy our time with each other. और कुछ time तो सोचा नहीं उससे ज़्यादा कुछ. ये उसकी personality type क्या है या मेरी क्या है या हम साथ में रह भी पाएंगे कि नहीं, ये सब हमने नहीं सोचा था.
But having said that, you
I
actually committed fully. You moved with him. You were Sharia. I mean, नहीं कई लोग तो they choose to stay in different cities. ना
तो वो तो मेरा आइडिया ऑफ मैरिज ही था मन में. किसी से भी शादी करती मैं तो उसके साथ मूव कर ही जाती. Like my idea of marriage was that I'll stay with my husband, right? And until then, right? Like I've said this earlier also, कि I did crave the similar kind of family structure that probably we had when we were younger.
Yeah.
So for me that was family, कि जहाँ पे पापा यूनिफॉर्म पहन के ऑफिस जाते हैं और मम्मी घर पे रहती हैं और वो सारे काम करती है etc. Not really like house jobs as such, but like that kind of life, the army way of life. So that's why that was the only thing I ever wanted at that time. कि फौजी होना चाहिए. So I think उस हिसाब से हमने शादी कर ली. एक बेसिक फीलिंग थी कि he's a nice guy, like a good human being रखी and attraction थी and कर ली. पेरेंट्स भी मान गए बड़े जल्दी and मतलब उन्हीं की तरफ से हुआ बेसिकली देखा जाए तो. मुझे लगता है कि अगर थोड़ा सा भी पेरेंट्स की तरफ से रेजिस्टेंस आता तो शायद नहीं भी करते. मतलब वैसे वाले स्टेज में थे नहीं हम कि बड़ा एक दूसरे के लिए वो थे. तो ये कर लिया हमने and to a large extent initially it was fine and there were no fundamental issues in the beginning. And I think that from what I know now, I realize कि हमारे दोनों की upbringing और personality type में एक बहुत basic difference था जो in some way or the other manifest होता ही होता.
Wow. Did you just see how this truck came?
Yeah, man. That was crazy.
Yeah. Okay, आकर.
So it happened with us too, and I think that I wasn't of the idea कि I'll move to the court and I fight him and our families will fight each other. मतलब that never sat well with me. और मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि हमारे बीच में जो है वो है problems. You know, his parents or my parents or जो भी, they don't deserve to get embroiled in it. तो yeah, I mean, eventually हमने divorce करा बहुत आगे पीछे होने के बाद. The thing about him and me eventually becoming friends was that he really took complete accountability of all the things that he had wronged me with. Beyond a point, to such an extent कि like he made it very clear to me that he's apologetic is one thing. वो कहते हैं ना कि तुम रोज मुझे 10 थप्पड़ 4 लोगों के सामने भी मार लो तो भी मैं बैठ के खा लूंगा वाली बात कर रही.
Hello?
Ashwin, were you singing?
No. I was the rickshaw came up behind me. I don't look up the door. So my car is saved. So, okay, my friend Raj Singh Rathod from Rajasthan is online. Now, where are you right now?
Very good question.
Lal Sod Kota mega highway.
So I think you reached Kota by next 2 hours.
राज खाना खाने के लिए उनको कहाँ रोक दें?
वालसोट निकल गए हो तो फिर नहीं मिलेगा. You stop anywhere like normal dhaba now because you already closed the Lalsot.
Got it. Yeah, no, forget it. We're staying in Kota, the place called Mahindra Niwas.
And you visit the Kota. Kota right now is one of the best cities in Rajasthan to travel because no traffic signal in Kota. The total city is like without traffic junctions. all crossing have the underpass or the flyovers. There's the one place is the seven wonders of the world. Kota is very beautiful now. There's the Chambal front also. Yeah, so you visit the Kota, you stay there.
Okay, yes, doing that. तो कोटा में ही है आज हम लोग. We will reach by 3:30. Where should we halt tomorrow? Because मुझे लगता है कि बडोदरा
Or I think better you stay in the Indore.
in इंदौर अच्छा.
हाँ, so nice, right? सूरत भी सही आइडिया है वैसे.
हाँ.
इंदौर तो था ही नहीं तुम्हारे उस लिस्ट में.
नहीं तो that because he's saying सूरत because वो एक्सप्रेस वे नहीं होगा. हम लोग का सूरत आ रहा होगा एक्सप्रेस वे में. We can do that. Okay, so continues.
एंड हमारा डिवोर्स हो गया, राइट? लाइक इट्स नॉट कि मैंने उसको कंक्लूड नहीं किया. आई डिड इट, राइट? नो अमाउंट ऑफ लाइक ही उसके बाद ही डिडंट हैव टू कंटिन्यू टू अपोलोजाइज, राइट? लाइक इन द सेंस दैट समटाइम्स इट्स लाइक कि छोड़ दो. आई मीन तुमने गलती करी, तुमने भरपाई करी, तुम आगे बढ़ सकते हो, राइट? लाइक यू डोंट वांट अ रिमाइंडर इन योर लाइफ कॉन्स्टेंटली कि तुमने गलती करी है, राइट? एंड बट ही चोज इट फॉर हिमसेल्फ, राइट? बिकॉज इन द बिगिनिंग व्हेन वी वर still talking, I used to have a lot of these spurts where I just couldn't, I just wanted to say so many things to him, like blame him, lots of things. I think he in a way wanted me to do it because it seemed as if he wanted me to be able to offload on him. Probably उसको खुद का guilt था या जो भी कि he wanted to take it.
Yeah.
इतनी इस तरीके से accountability लेना मैंने तो नहीं देखा अपनी लाइफ में कभी कहीं और से. Right? And for him to do that, it really helped me heal because it built me up, right? Like I am important enough. अगर मुझे उसकी गलतियों से कोई लॉस हुआ तो उसकी his apology, well meant, all-rounded apology, really built me up too. Like that, I'm worthy of that too, right? And I am that important that
really wanted to
effort has been taken to have me in your life and to build me up despite the inconvenience it brings to you, right? Which he's done, right? Like and he did it and frankly he continues to do it. हमारे divorce को 2 साल हो गए हैं, more than that. So at some point then I realized that okay, he really means it. Like पहले मैं भी थोड़ा वो होती थी कि देखेंगे, and I still think sometimes कि we'll be in each other's lives until it serves us, right? अब मुझे लगता है कि हम इतने अच्छे दोस्त थे, हमें शायद शादी करके या रोमांटिक situation लाके उसको खराब नहीं करना चाहिए. Maybe we were always supposed to be friends. Who knows? I can't say, right? But I think that like having someone like him in my life with all of its ups and downs has enriched me.
We are close to ending our day 1 and I would say today was a start. We talked a lot, we laughed a lot. It was not perfect, but it was honest. And after all this time, that's more than we could have asked for. And let's see if we can keep this momentum going for the next 2 days. Hopefully, you will enjoy this journey as much as we are enjoying shooting it. Guys, we are going to sleep. I think actually Niyadi is going to sleep. I'll probably do some time pass before I sleep. But look at how cute this pool setup is. We're actually on a date. Wait, let me show you. It's actually very cute. Right? And this is the place. I mean, this is the dinner place. And this is Miss Pinto crying for no reason at all. What do you think about Mahindra Niwas?
It was nice, yeah. Food is also decent. Property is decent. Yeah, literally, it's in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing around. I don't know actually Daughter on their first road trips. Okay, she's nauseous. She drools. But these days, I've noticed her like drooling, but also keeping it inside. It has been great, honestly. I think from Delhi to Mumbai, there is Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. And tomorrow we're going to stay in Vadodara. There was a really nice, other very vintage ancestral property kinds, heritage property. But I really wanted to get a gym, work out, and it didn't have a pool or a gym. For that reason, I can't say that. I hope Vivaka is nice. I heard that Mumbai Express there, that will be 250 kilometers, and we'll keep posting about that. Thank you, and I don't know if you could hear Miss Pinto crying, but she's there. She was, yeah. The view is also wet. I started like this and I'm ending like this. Good night.